Harriet gambles everything to repair her relationship with the Brutus. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on The Queen from the 2nd to the 5th of November 2021 on Tuesday. Brutus' power trips land him in trouble. Harriet makes a decision that breaks Noma's heart. Georgina readies herself to go to war with Thando on Wednesday. Georgina may have bitten more than she can chew. Harriet finally deals with a nemesis on Thursday. Harriet turns the table on Brutus. Thando corners Georgina and Petronella get caught in the crossfire on Friday. Harriet gambles everything to repair her relationship with the Brutus. Georgina makes a difficult decision to protect those she loves. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.